Hello students, this is Neeru Goyal, your science teacher. So today we are going to start with our next lesson, food and health. Here lesson 5, food and health. All living organisms need food. You know that we all need food. It helps us to grow and stay healthy. Can you people live without food? No. We need food to grow and stay healthy. It also gives us energy to do work. We get energy to do work from food. We eat different kinds of food. This not only suits our tastes but also provides us with different kinds of nutrients. So, from the food, we all organisms need food. Why do we need food? To grow, to stay healthy, and to get energy to do work. Now, from the food, what we are getting? So that we are getting energy. Why? Because the food has different types of nutrients. Now, what are these nutrients? Nutrients are substances present in food that are required for proper growth and development of our body. Nutrients वो substances होते हैं which are present in the food जो कि हमें help करते हैं proper growth और development में. अब ये nutrients कौन से होते हैं? Which are these nutrients? These nutrients which are present in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Which are the nutrients? Once again we will do this. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are the nutrients which are present in the food that may be present in different food stuffs. Now it is not that all the food, any type of food it is having all these things. Different foods have different types of nutrients. So here children you can observe a health pyramid is given to you. You can read it is given health pyramid, healthy eating pyramid. Now we are going to discuss this healthy eating pyramid, what it is. When we eat food, we have to take care what type of food we are eating. Now here it is written eat the most, eat more, eat moderately, eat less. Now eat the most. Eat the most means that the thing or the food items which you should eat more. These are bread and cereals. What are these? These are bread and cereals. Cereals, grains, your wheat, jowar, bajra, your bread. You should eat all these things more. They give you carbohydrates. You should eat more of the bread and cereals. I have sent you one video also. So we am sharing a video which you will watch to understand the healthy eating pyramid more. Now the next which is eat more, less than these carbohydrates is fruits and vegetables. Now fruits and vegetables they are providing you with vitamins and minerals. फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स से आपको मिलता है vitamins and mineral. Next is your milk and dairy products, bean products and meat. Meat for those who are eating non-vegetarian. So milk products, milk से जो बनी हुई चीज़ें होती हैं जैसे पनीर हो गया, बटर हो गया, these are all the dairy products. So you should eat them moderately, not that much. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लेना चाहिए. So these are proteins. What are these? These are protein giving items. So you should eat them moderately. They should be there in your diet but not as much as the carbohydrates. So these was for the carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, and this is for the proteins. Lastly, you can see a very small triangle is there, very small box, which is eat less, which you should not take much fat, salt, and sugar. These things you should take very less. They should be present in your food, but in a very less quantity. So this was our healthy eating pyramid. Watch the video which I am sharing so that you can understand it more properly. Now, when we are eating we are talking about these nutrients, we also are talking about balanced diet. We already know that there are different types of foods, that is energy giving food, building food, and protective food. Again I will tell what type of food: energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. They should be taken in appropriate amount. Appropriate मतलब proper amount, so that our diet is balanced, ताकि हमारी diet जो है वो balanced हो. I have told you in the healthy eating pyramid that what items you should eat most, which you should eat more, moderately, and less. This is the healthy eating pyramid, and through this we will talk about the balanced diet. So when we talk about the balanced diet, that means the appropriate amount of nutrients in our diet. हर सभी nutrients बराबर quantity में नहीं चाहिए. Now these nutrients, they have been, this chart has been shown here. We will read it. In the balanced diet, first nutrient carbohydrate, it provides us energy. फैट्स ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड एनर्जी एंड वार्मथ. इससे हमें गर्माइश भी मिलती है, तो इसलिए ये हमें लेना ज़रूरी है, बट ज़्यादा नहीं. प्रोटीन्स, दे हेल्प टू ग्रो एंड रिपेयर वर्न आउट टिश्यूज़. प्रोटीन्स जो हैं वो हमें हेल्प करते हैं ग्रो करने में और रिपेयर करने में. हमारे टिश्यूज़ मतलब हमें जो चोट लगी है, हमें टिश्यूज़ हमारे रिपेयर करती है प्रॉपरली. Fats provide energy and warmth. Vitamins, necessary for proper functioning of our body. हमारी बॉडी की प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग के लिए vitamins चाहिए in a very less quantity. Minerals, necessary again for proper functioning of our body. So this is the balanced diet. Next is our health. Health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. जब हम हेल्थ की बात करते हैं तो उसका मतलब है कि हम फिज़िकली और मेंटली भी वेल होने चाहिए. इट इज़ नॉट दैट वी शुड ओनली बी फिज़िकली वेल, वी शुड बी फिज़िकली एंड मेंटली बोथ वेल. फॉर मेंटेनिंग द हेल्थ ऑफ आवर बॉडी नीड्स. अब हमारी बॉडी की प्रॉपर हेल्थ के लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए? बैलेंस डाइट. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द बैलेंस डाइट. ऑल द न्यूट्रिएंट्स शुड बी इन द प्रॉपर क्वांटिटी. रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज, हमें एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए. प्रॉपर रेस्ट, टाइम से रेस्ट करना चाहिए. गुड पर्सनल हाइजीन, अपने आप को साफ रखना चाहिए. क्लीन एंड हाइजीनिक सराउंडिंग्स, अपने आसपास भी सफाई रखनी चाहिए. हाइजीन मीन्स क्लीन, नीट, बिल्कुल साफ. इफ़ वी डू नॉट फील दीज डिफरेंट नीड्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी, वी मे फॉल इल एंड कैच डिजीज़. तो अगर हम इन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखेंगे तो हम बीमार हो सकते हैं और हमें डिजीज़ हो सकती हैं, बीमारियां हो सकती हैं. सो वी विल रीड अबाउट द डिजीज़ इन आवर नेक्स्ट पार्ट. So this is all for today. Bye bye. Have a nice day.